Let's speak and practice. Defeat. Win a victory over someone in a battle or other contest. He defeated his opponent in a boxing match. We must be ready to defeat our enemies in battle. Salve. An ointment used to promote healing of the skin or as protection. The wound should be washed with water and then a salve applied. They salved my cuts and stopped the bleeding. Pleased. Happy, glad, delighted. I am very pleased about the result. I am very pleased to meet you. Scrap. Remove, discard. The steamer was eventually sold for scrap. The artist decided to scrap the painting and start over with a new canvas. Creepy. Scaring, terrifying, shocking. The creepy feelings one often gets in a strange house. Her husband does not enjoy watching creepy movies on television. Downhearted. Sad, hopeless, dejected. You look downhearted all day. What happened? Rena was downhearted, tried hard not to show it. Bury. Hide underground, conceal. The woman who died in a traffic accident will be buried today. He buried the money in the backyard. Decorate. Beautify, enrich, prettify. They decorated the wedding car with ribbons and flowers. My mother likes to decorate rooms. Funeral. Cremation, burial, entombment. His funeral will be held on Friday. Only family attended the funeral. Pray. Invoke, beg, plead, request. They go to temple to pray once a week. Let us pray for the victims of this terrible disaster. Sticky. Adhesive, tenacious. It was an unusually hot and sticky summer. Make your site as sticky as possible to keep visitors there longer. Poop. Excrete, defecate. The dog pooped on the carpet. Please don't let your child poop on the playground. Stretch. Extend, straighten. Sometimes I work for 10 hours at a stretch. The lady is stretching her legs while exercising. Stinky. Very disagreeable, unpleasant smell. He went to his stinky job year after year. Sometimes when I take my shoes off, my socks smell stinky. Scrap. Piece, fragment. I scribbled her address on a scrap of paper. The two of them drive around collecting scrap to sell. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more such amazing videos.